Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that you are fine. You are welcome in this session. Our today's topic is the Earth. Its questions, class 5th subject EVS. अर्थ के बारे में मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया पिछली वीडियो में भी, और इसके जो लेयर्स हैं वो भी मैंने आपको कहा. There are 3 layers. I remind you, just like crust, mantle, and core. And today's our topic is the Earth. Its questions. Fill in the blanks. Question है, fill in the blanks. Choose the right word from these. खाली जगह आपको भरनी है. राइट वर्ड, सोच समझ के सूटेबल वर्ड इस्तेमाल करने इनमें से. यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं वर्ड्स: समर, इक्वल, टिल्टेड, इक्वेटर और क्विक. ये वर्ड्स आपको इनमें ब्लैंक्स में लिखने हैं, भरने हैं इनमें, लेकिन सोच समझ के. और फर्स्ट वन इज, the question is here: sudden violent movement of the earth's surface is called dash. Sudden, जो violent movement of earth's surface, जमीन पे जो होती है ना, इस वना चुसु अचानक यहाँ चुसु जमीन हिला, ताकि इस वना sudden violent movement of the earth's surface is called summer, equal, tilted, equator, earthquake. Earthquake is the correct answer. Sudden violent movement of the earth's surface is called earthquake. ERTHQUAKE. Sudden violent movement of the earth's surface is called earthquake. Second one is here: the axis of the earth is called dash. The axis of the earth is called, the axis of the earth is dash. The axis of the earth is tilted. Second one is what? Tilted. 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 The axis of the earth is tilted. Tilted means teed upon. It's so hajar asan cha. Axis of the earth. Tilted. Third one is, days and nights are dash at equator. Doth raat asan equators पर. Equator को we divide the earth into 2 equal parts. An imaginary line. ये भी आपको अभी आएगा. हाँ. The days and nights are dash at equator. The days and nights are equal at equator. Equal आएगा यहाँ पे. EQUAL, equal. यमोस यम दोथ रात आसान, यम equators पे यानी खतियस पे बराबर. Days and nights are equal at equator. And the another question is, days are longer in dash. जिस तरह आज है, just now. इस पर आज समर चला यूसुफ. आज आसान दो वारिया बड़ काट में समरस में. वो days are longer in summer. Days are longer in summer. SUMMER. Days are longer in summer. दिन बड़े होते हैं किसमें? उसमें करना. आज जो दो बड़, वारिया बड़, पत्थर से वार वार लकड़ फिलहाल में चला बड़. वो days are longer in summer. And the fifth one is, the imaginary line that divides the earth into 2 equal hollows or parts is called the dash. अभी मैंने आपको कहा, imaginary line which divides earth करण क्या? खत करण earth imaginary line 2 equal parts, 2 equal hollows करण थी तकसीम. That is called as equator. The imaginary line that divides the earth into 2 equal hollows is called the equator. यानी खत इस्तिवा. आज सुना खाते इस्तिवा. The imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts, two equal halves, is called the equator. For example, this is a globe and this is a line. This divides this into two equal parts or halves. And this line, this imaginary line, is called equator. Yes, equator. Yus divide कर earth in ज़मीनस दोन बराबर हिस्सन में. ये goes nesaf, ये goes nesaf. An imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves or parts is known as equator. इसको खैर इस बात है. अब आ गया आपको समझ. Sudden violent movement of the earth's surface is called earthquake. The axis of earth is tilted. Days and nights are equal at equator. Days are longer in summer. The imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves is called the equator. I think it is enough for today's lecture. कुछ उम्मीद कि तुम करिए नोट ताकि जो आने वाला एग्जाम है आपका आप इसमें पूरी तरह से प्रिपरेशन करके आओगे और ये आपको पास हो जाएगा ये सब्जेक्ट. थैंक यू.